Hi, this is Allie Peters with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. I am standing in our brand new listing at 9249 Kornbrust Circle in the heart of Lone Tree, Colorado. This end unit townhome is 3 beds, 3 baths, 2,800 square feet finished with an open floor plan, spacious gourmet kitchen, and a beautiful primary suite. Let's take a look around. Not only is this an absolutely beautiful home, but it is a convenient lock and leave property with close proximity to the Lone Tree Performing Arts Center, the Bluffs Regional Parks and Trails, and multiple shopping centers. So if you would like to come see this house for yourself, you can schedule a private showing with me or come to our open house this Sunday, August 20th from 1 to 3. Hope to see you there.